Hello and welcome to Spartan TV. In today's episode, we will talk about evolution. To start, let us put the topic in a simple analogy to further understand. Think of human evolution theories as something similar to change in technology throughout the years. Imagine how a phone used to look like, from this to this, and a camera from this to this. In the same way that technology has improved and developed throughout the years, the same thing goes for life here on Earth. We call this change in development in our biosystem as evolution. What does evolution really mean? Let's find out! According to Charles Darwin, evolution is from organisms that arise and develop through natural selection from smallest to biggest. While Brian Richmond said that all life on Earth is connected and related to each other, Brianna Probener, an anthropologist who specializes in the study of human origin, describes evolution as descent with modification. Let's focus on Darwin's theory. This theory consists of two main points. 1. Diverse groups of animals evolve from one or a few common ancestors. And 2. The mechanism by which this takes place is natural selection. Darwinism can be divided into 5 parts. The first one is evolution, which can be described as the ability of species to change over time. The second one is common descent, where all life can be traced back to a few common ancestors. The third one is gradualism, which states evolution was a much slower process and took an innumerable amount of smaller steps. The fourth one is population speciation. Within a population, change in a species occurs as a balance of hereditary characteristics that shift across that population. Lastly is the natural selection. It is one of the best theories in the history of science. Its competition is called the struggle for life. It had been thought as a reason that a given species might succeed or go extinct, but Darwin extended the understanding to change within species. To continue, the example of giraffes. When a giraffe is born with a longer neck than other giraffes, it gains an advantage because it is able to reach for more food. The long-necked giraffe is therefore stronger, lives longer, and more likely to have offspring. These offspring are born with the same long neck as their parents, though some might be born with even longer necks, continuing the cycle. Charles Darwin's theory of evolution affected society in a couple of ways. It brought up conflict between church and science. Belief disrupts, distorts, and delays the acceptance of scientific evidence. However, Darwin's theory helped transform the people's thoughts about the natural world and the human's place within it. That's all for today. Thank you for watching!